Hey guys, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction and analysis video. So in this video, we are going to analyze gold chart with the help of various tools, and we are going to discuss the price movement with the help of price action. So we are going to keep it very simple so that we can utilize important price levels for upcoming trading sessions. So we start with the latest COT report. And if you are following me in my Telegram channel and if you are following me in my recent prediction video, you knows that we generally look into the positions of managed money. So these are the managed money, or you can say the smart money player. So if you remember previous prediction video, they continuously covering their long positions. These blue bar are the positions in the longs of managed money. So this is the 6-month period chart from here to here. This is the 6-month, and recently they made a high in the long. This week the position, or you can say nearly about this week, these 2 weeks were the highest, uh, you can say the week in long positions of managed money. After this week we have seen a decline, and they continuously pulling money from their long contacts, or you can say the long positions. So they continuously covering their long positions, and we have seen that whenever they pull money from their long and whenever they add in the money in the short, the impact clearly visible on the candlestick chart. We already discussed this movement in previous analysis video. So you can clearly see that this time also they are covering their long positions, and if we read in the change in position for this week, you can clearly read in the long positions they are covering their long position, and this time they covered, or you can say they pulled minus 10473 contract from their net long positions. So, and in the short positions, or you can say in the short contract, they added 8312 contracts in the short. So this means they are covering their long positions and they are adding money in the short. So if we look into the data, this is very clear and this is very obvious that they are not long, they are not building position in the long, and they are covering those. So this means they are not bullish on gold at this moment, and this is showing a bearish sentiment. And if we talk in the terms of price action on a weekly chart, or you can say in weekly movement, this one right over here, if you remember in the previous week, if we scroll back in the previous COT data that we discussed previously, they covering their long but they are not adding in the short in the previous week. So the overall sentiment was bearish, but we were not sure because they also covered their short. So if we look at the overall movement from the previous week, this is the Monday trading session right over here. So the Monday, the price started from here nearly at the level of 1960, and after this, in previous week we have seen a lot of data, and FOMC was there. We have seen a big move, and price break down the support of 1930, 40 and 30 level, and we have seen a good low around 1925 over this region. But overall, if you look at the movement after this much decline, price quickly rebound and closed near to open price like we have seen in the previous week. So overall the week was flat, but the impact of uh, you can say the COT number was there, but overall the week was flat. The movement was sideways overall if we talk in the terms of the price action or in the net movement. So previous week was closed totally flat. Let me show you on weekly chart. So this one, the weekly chart, you can clearly see the weekly movement was good, but overall the candle close or if we look at the body of the candle, this is a flat candle. You can clearly see just $3-4 movement, I think. So if we look at the candlestick movement, yes, rejection is there from the low, or we can consider this level as a good support, but the candle is closed flat, so we can expect some bounce as per the price action, because this is a good rejection and this might continue in terms of price action. But as you can see, they still covering their long, and this is not a good you can say point, or you can say the chance to add in the longs. So we have to wait how we can add in the short as per if we combine the movement of COT numbers, and if we combine the movement of candlestick. So if we talk in the terms of COT numbers only, then the sentiment for the next week is bearish. And if we talk in the terms of price action, you can clearly see we already discussed this chart many times in Telegram. uh, During live trading session, you can clearly see we are still in the range. Yes, we have seen a good breakdown from here, but price quickly recovered from here. You can say that this was a false breakdown to trap the bears, and currently we are trading near to this support. You can see this level around 1955, 1952, right over this region is a good support, and currently it is above the support, and below that we have another support, this one right over this region 38240, because previously you can see a good recovery from every time whenever price reach this level, we have seen a good bounce. So price is fluctuating between this range, and this is still sideways. Yes, we have seen a good movement, but overall this is still sideways in uh 2 hour time frame. We are watching this on 2 hour time frame, and if we look at the monthly candle, this one is the monthly candle. So monthly candle is still uh in terms of price action. If we watch this candle right over here, this is a good you can say rejection candle, and impact is still there on the monthly, but it is still flat, and we can expect some further down move as per monthly candlestick. And if we talk in term of daily candlestick chart, this is the daily chart, and you can clearly see that it is facing resistance over to this trend line, this red trend line. You can clearly see price is not able to break above this trend line, this one, this trend line. So clearly price is facing resistance, and every time price try to break above this level, or if we talk in terms of specific price level, the price level is around this level 1970. 1970 that we discussed many times is an important price level on daily that we have to watch for, because if price is able to close above 1970, we can expect further up move, or you can say further rise in the price. But if price is not able to break 1970, and if price is able to, or bears able to hold this trend line, then we can expect decline in terms of price action. And if we talk in terms of intraday level, this is the 30-minute chart, and the price currently closing below to next day CPR. This is the next day CPR in the Monday trading session or upcoming Monday trading session, and the price is currently closing below this level. So below this level we have to look for the sell entries only, because in Friday trading session we have seen a rejection from this level near to 1970 that we discussed just now. So below this CPR we are going to take only sell entries toward the lower level. And if price is able to break above the CPR right over here 196062, then I think for bulls better wait it to break out the 1970 so that we can have a confirmation, because price is not able to break above 1970. If able to break above 1970, then we are going to look for buy opportunities only, but below that there is a good uh, view or a good chance to look into the sell positions. So these are the levels on price action. And if we talk in terms of imbalance areas in terms of order flow, this is the order flow chart, or you can say footprint. And if we talk in terms of footprint imbalance, or you can say the support resistance, these are the level. Current support is around this candle. Let me show you on plain candlestick chart. This is the candle, this one right over here, this one, this right here. So this is a good support, you can clearly see, and this is also visible on footprint chart. And the next support is this area. This is 30-minute chart, and this time is 1830, and 1830 is this one, this right here. So we talk about the next support, so this is right over here. So these are the support in the bottom side in terms of order flow that we have to watch for, and above that this is clearly a price action resistance over here. So we are going to discuss these levels and these support resistance in live trading session in Telegram channel. So see you there. Thank you.